Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix error the server stumbled Windows 10 store. Chapter 1. How to fix error. The server stumbled Windows 10 store changing time zone. To begin, enter date in the search box. Click on Date and Time Settings. After this, on the Time Zone section, you can set a new location. When do this, you can click on Sync Now to apply this change. Chapter 2. How to fix error the server stumbled Windows 10 store from services. To start, enter Services in the search box. Click on Services. Here, select the Windows Update service. Double-click on this service. After, on the field startup type, select Automatic. Click on Apply and OK. Chapter 3. How to fix error the server stumbled Windows 10 store setting DNS. To begin, in the search box, enter View. Click on View Network Connections. After, you must right-click over the network adapter. Select Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. After this, check the use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the IP at the public DNS. Click on OK. Chapter 4. How to fix error the server stumbled Windows 10 store with command. To this method, enter the WSA reset command on the search box. Click on the command. Here, a new terminal open, and after the Windows store will open. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.